Hello students, welcome back after summer vacation for online classes. Class 6, Subject Math, Chapter 6, Decimals. This is the name of the chapter. So, you already studied in the class 5th, but I would like to repeat once again. First question is, what is decimals? Can you say anyone? Okay, I am telling you. The number expressed in decimals form, that is, numbers which contains a decimal point are called decimal numbers, or we can say that simply decimals. So decimals numbers or decimals we can say simply decimals, okay, and sometimes decimal numbers also, okay. Let us see by example 2.3 and 9.7. Okay, this is dot. This dot is called decimal point or point. Here is also called decimal point or point. Okay, now let us see the other example. Okay, now here 65, this is the point 023. Okay, so those number which are on the left side of the decimal point, this is the decimal point, that is called whole part and integral part, and those number which are on the right side of the decimal point, we can say that decimal part or fractional part, and this point or this dot is called decimal point. Okay student, this is very important for you because at the time of comparing the decimal numbers or decimals, on that time we have to use whole part, okay, and integral part and decimal part, and at the time of like or unlike decimals, you also on that time you have to use this point. So that's why I am telling you whole parts, integral part, and this is the decimal point, and this is the decimal part or whole part, or sorry, fractional part. Okay, now next topic is what is decimal point. Okay, so I already told you, simply we can say dot is called a decimal point. Okay, now but let's see here, a point or dot used to separate the whole number part. Whole number part means this is the whole number part from the decimal part, and this is the decimal part. This is the decimal part is known as the decimal point, and we can say that simply dot is called the decimal points. Is it clear? Now decimal place value chart. This chart is also very useful for at the time of doing the exercise. See here, this is the decimal point, this is ones, this is tens, this is hundred. So ones stand for like this one, this is tens means 10, 100 means 100. This is the tens. This part is after decimal point, right hand side, this is called fractional part. Tens, hundreds and thousands. So 1 by 10, 1 by 100 and 1 by 1000. Okay. Now how we have to read this? 1 tens, 1 hundredths and 1 thousands. Let us see by example. 5, 3, 2 decimal point 3, 2, 5. And we can write like this in the decimal fraction: 3 upon 10, 2 upon 100, 5 upon 1000. So how we have to read this? 3 tenths, 2 hundredths, 5 thousands. Okay student, now what is decimal fraction? Okay, the fraction in which the denominators are 10, 100, 1000 etc. are known as the decimal fraction. Let us see by example 3 upon 10. It means 3 part out of 10. What is denominator here? 10. So now according to definition 10. Second, 7 upon 100. 7 part out of 100. What is denominator here? So denominator is 100. And 9 upon 1000. 9 part out of 1000. What is denominator here? 1000. All are the decimal fraction. Is it clear? Now see next topic, decimal fraction with 10, 100 and 1000 as a denominator. Just I have explained above. Now the fraction 1 upon 10 is the number 1/10. We read 1/10. We can write like this, 1 upon 10. How we have to change this fractional part into a decimal part. Okay, so now see here in the denominator, this here is 10, so we have to put the decimal point before one digit. So here is 1, so we can say 0.1 or simply 0.1, 0.1 or 0.1. Next example is 3 upon 10. Here is the denominator is 10. So in this case, number of 0 is 1. So we have to put the decimal point before one digit. So 0.3 or decimal point 3. And simply we can say 0.3. Okay. Now next, the fraction 1 upon 100. Okay, is number 100. We can write 1 upon 100. And second example 2 upon 100. In the denominator, number of 0 is 100 here. So it means, number of 0 is 2 here. So you have to put the decimal point before 2 digit. So here is 1 digit and here is 2 digit. Suppose here is in the numerator 1. So we have to put bringing by 0, fill up by 0, because in the left side 0 have no value. So 1 means 1, and simply we can write 0.01. And here 0.02, or simply we can write 0.02. In the next part is the fraction 1 upon 1000. See the number 1000. So here 1 upon 1000 or 2 upon 1000. So here we can write, here is number of 0 in the denominator is 3. So 0.001. Before 3 digit we have to put the decimal point. And we can write here 0.001. Okay student. And in this case same 0.002 or 0.002 also. So I hope you have to understood my lecture. Thanks.